Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best microfiber cloth is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for maintaining the pristine condition of your electronic devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and camera lenses. This humble cleaning tool utilizes ultrafine fibers to effectively trap and remove dust, fingerprints, smudges, and even tiny particles that can cause scratches, ensuring your screens remain crystal clear and vibrant without the need for harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, making it an indispensable part of any tech enthusiast's or everyday user's toolkit for preserving the longevity and visual quality of their valuable gadgets. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 6PK. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, your go-to solution for a spotless clean. It effortlessly tackles dust, oil, and smudges without leaving any scratches or streaks behind. Perfect for all your eyewear, from reading glasses to sunglasses, it ensures your lenses are always crystal clear. It's designed for everyone, men, women, and teens alike. Beyond glasses, this cloth is your ultimate screen companion. It's ideal for cleaning phone screens, laptop displays, TV screens, and any glass surface. Each cloth comes individually sealed in its own poly bag, guaranteeing a fresh and ready-to-use product every time. This pack includes 5 black and 1 gray cloth. Its delicate craftsmanship makes it safe for all your delicate electronics and surfaces. Use it on cameras, lenses, car displays, mirrors, and more without worry. Discover the magical results for the things you care about most. MagicFiber delivers a superior clean, keeping your valuable items looking their best. What we like? This one is perfect for everyday use on a variety of devices. If you are looking for a reliable cloth that leaves no residue, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants a consistently clean screen without any hassle. What people say. The microfiber cloth is very soft and gentle on screens, preventing scratches. It effectively removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving streaks. The cloth is washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly option. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, Japanese Microfiber, 6-pack. Experience unparalleled clarity with our meticulously crafted cleaning cloth. Made from ultra-dense Japanese microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless. Discover the difference of premium Japanese microfiber. Our cloth is engineered with ultra-fine, super dense fibers in a unique honeycomb matrix for maximum performance. From delicate AR coatings to touch screens and professional lenses, this cloth offers unmatched performance. It's ideal for all optical devices, including smart glasses and telescopes. Enjoy long-lasting value with our washable and reusable cleaning cloths. They outperform disposable alternatives, reducing waste. Simply wash by hand and air dry. Become part of a community of millions who trust Koala for their precision care needs. We are dedicated to providing supercharged, long-lasting performance for your lenses and screens. What we like? Experience unparalleled clarity with this premium option. If you demand the absolute best for your high-end optics and screens, this is the one. Its specialized Japanese microfiber ensures a spotless finish every time. What people say. The microfiber cloth is effective at cleaning screens without leaving streaks. It's a good size for carrying around and fits easily in a pocket or bag. The material is soft and gentle on delicate surfaces like phone and tablet screens. Number 3. Eco-Fused Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 5-pack. Introducing the Eco-Fused Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, a versatile 5-pack designed for all your delicate cleaning needs. These cloths offer a superior clean for a variety of surfaces. Each cloth features a dual-sided design with microfiber on one side and suede on the other. This unique combination effectively picks up grease and dirt, leaving surfaces spotless. These soft cloths are ideal for cleaning electronic screens, glasses, camera lenses, and more. They provide a gentle yet effective clean without causing damage. The convenient size makes them perfect for cleaning TV screens, computer monitors, and smartphone displays. Effortlessly remove fingerprints, dust, and smudges from all your devices. Wipe away dust and dirt with confidence. These cloths ensure a scratch-free cleaning experience, protecting your valuable electronics and lenses. Save money and reduce waste with these reusable cleaning cloths. They are durable and can be washed for repeated use, offering a sustainable cleaning solution. What we like. This cloth offers a unique dual-action cleaning experience. If you appreciate versatility and want a cloth that can handle different types of smudges and surfaces, this is a fantastic pick. It's great for those who clean a wide range of electronics. What people say. The microfiber cloth is very soft and gentle on screens, preventing scratches. It effectively removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving streaks. The cloth is a good size for cleaning various electronic devices like phones, tablets, and laptops. Number 2. eCloth Window and Glass Cleaner Kit. Introducing the eCloth Window and Glass Cleaner Kit. Achieve a spotless shine on all your glass surfaces with just water. Its advanced microfiber technology grabs and removes dust and grime. The polishing cloth then ensures a perfect, streak-free finish every time. Say goodbye to disposable sprays and paper towels. This kit is designed for long-lasting use, offering excellent value wash after wash. Perfect for windows, mirrors, cars, and even lenses. Its lint-free design makes cleaning large areas quick and easy. Our innovative two-step process removes 99% of grease and grime using only water. Experience a truly clean and thorough result. First, use the damp waffle weave cloth to wipe away dirt. Then, follow with the dry, smooth weave cloth for a brilliant, streak-free polish. What we like. Go green with this innovative cleaning solution. If you prefer to avoid chemicals and want an eco-friendly way to achieve a spotless shine, this is your best bet. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals and those who want a simple, effective clean. What people say. This microfiber cloth is excellent for cleaning screens. It effectively removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving any scratches. The cloth is very soft and durable, making it perfect for regular use on delicate surfaces like phone screens and camera lenses. I appreciate the generous size of the cloth, which makes it easy to clean larger screens like monitors and TVs in just a few swipes. Number 1. MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Tired of smudges and dust ruining your view? Our premium microfiber cloths are designed to gently lift away dirt and fingerprints, leaving your screens perfectly clear. Crafted from ultra-soft microfiber, these cloths are incredibly effective at absorbing oils and grime without causing any scratches or leaving lint behind. They're safe for all your delicate electronics. From your TV and computer monitor to your smartphone and camera lenses, these cloths are the perfect solution. They even work wonders on eyeglasses and other sensitive surfaces. Our extra-large cloths provide ample cleaning power for larger screens and surfaces. They are designed to be the perfect size for all your cleaning needs. Each cloth comes individually packaged, ensuring they stay clean and ready for use whenever you need them. They store easily and add no bulk. Looking for a practical and thoughtful gift? These versatile cleaning cloths make an excellent stocking stuffer or present for anyone who owns electronics or screens. What we like. Tackle large surfaces with ease using this oversized cloth. If you frequently clean big screens like TVs or monitors, this is the ideal solution. Its generous size makes cleaning faster and more efficient for larger devices. What people say. The cloth is very soft and gentle on screens, preventing scratches. It effectively removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving streaks. The microfiber material is highly absorbent and dries quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.